Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and with today's video, I'm going to be installing this Olixar tempered glass screen protector on my iPhone 12. Now this was sent to me free of charge for my unbiased opinion and review, so thank you Olixar for sending this out to me. This is a $14.99 tempered glass screen protector. They do make it for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Mini. I will link all of my affiliate links down in the description. Just by clicking those links, you would be supporting my channel if you do decide to purchase this, or really anything if you click that link. So let's go ahead and dive into the box real quick. So as far as the box goes, pretty nice little box that it's, as far as the presentation goes. So you have the screen protector picture here. It says it's ultra thin, it's 9H plus as far as the surface hardness, Ultra Touch, as it says here. It's a delicate touch, crystal clarity, anti-fingerprint and scratch resistant. And it does say bubble-free installation, so that's to be determined. And then as far as on the back goes, just a little bit of a breakdown of just kind of, once again, the same stuff on the front. And then they do have a QR code that you can scan for installation. And you do have this very reflective holographic, sticker here that's keeping it closed. So let's go ahead and get my knife here real quick, and I'm just gonna kind of try to cut it. That way I'm not just completely destroying it. There we go. And there is everything when you open it up. So you have your instructions here on what to do as far as when you're installing it. So step 1 through 5. So pretty straightforward stuff with this type of install. You do have some cleaning wipes and some other things in here as well. Let's go ahead and take a peek here. So cleaning wipe, a microfiber cloth, some guide sticks, all that. And then of course, then your screen protector is inside of here. So one thing that I'm noticing right off the bat is it does have the notch cutout. On the description on Amazon, it does say it's a full coverage screen protector because, for example, I did an unboxing and review of the Sentinel case, and it came with a screen protector inside of it, and it was a complete full coverage. But I'm okay with this. Like, I don't care with an iPhone 12 if it has the cutout for the notch or not. But I was just expecting it to be the full coverage, but that's okay, no problem at all. So you do have your, obviously, sticker here to peel off whenever that's the sticky side. This is the side that's not sticky. So let's go ahead and get my iPhone 12 and let's get this installed. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out here. So first thing, what we're going to do is use the provided cleaning wipe and clean the surface of the screen. So just get that ripped open here. And we're just going to wipe it all down here. It is very wet, so that is something to point out, because every time I get some screen protectors sometimes to review, or the ones that I personally buy, it just drives me nuts when they come super dried out already. And then you're going to use the provided cleaning cloth here and just wipe it all down and get it nice and dry. And doesn't look like I have any dust or anything on it, so I'm not going to use the dust absorbers. And then what it does say to do is to use these guide stickers. I don't really use them very often, but I'm going to give it a try, because a lot of times I notice that when I do, they just fall off whenever I start to try to use them actually. So we'll see if that happens here. And I usually just try to do them on the opposite end, so that way I get a nice kind of, grip on it. So we're going to peel this off here, exposing the sticky side, and then using the guide stickers, we're just going to try to guide it on there nice and easy, and then let the screen protector do its job. It's going to start to work, as you can see here, as far as the bubbles and everything goes. And I'm going to go ahead and help it out a little bit and use the provided cleaning cloth once again and just try to start pushing out all those air bubbles. All right, and there is the screen protector actually installed on the iPhone 12. So was not hard at all. Normally I would fast forward through actually sticking the screen protector on it, and I didn't have to. I literally was able to just slap it right on and was very easy. You have a nice cutout here for your sensors and everything up top, so no obstructions of the face unlock. Now let me go ahead and power up the iPhone, and let's go ahead and see how the responsiveness of everything is and see how it looks, if we see any rainbow effect on the edges or anything like that. All right, so got the phone booted up, so let's go ahead and start kind of just messing around with the screen, see if there's any issues that I'm going to notice here. So very responsive. I'm not seeing any issues at all. I don't see any of the like rainbow effects on the edges or anything like that. So definitely looks like that it's gonna be just fine. So yeah, it's a pretty dang good little screen protector. Feels good in the hand. As far as like, you know, I'm not really noticing that the screen protector's on, especially up against the edges. It does nicely go to those edges here. So yeah, so I think it's definitely a screen protector that I would recommend. It's very non-noticeable, that is nice, but it is nice and thick. It doesn't look like some cheapy, you know, piece of paper that's on it, so it does feel very premium. So it is 0.27 millimeters thick. So what that says here in the description is it ensures fluent finger motions and retains the touch sensitivity of your phone's screen. It is an oleophobic, dirt and grease resistant coating as well, so it will not get fingerprints all over it. So I am noticing that there is no fingerprints at all when I'm touching it. So yeah, so pretty nice. And it does come with a 2-year warranty, guys. So if you do have any issues with it, you do have 2 years to claim anything on it. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, I would appreciate a sub. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.